In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Before we dive in, here's the idea. Conditional formatting is a quick way to make important data stand out automatically, based on rules you define. It helps you spot trends, errors, or priorities without manually scanning your sheet. Start by going to the top menu and clicking on Format. This opens a list of formatting tools available in your spreadsheet. From that menu, click on Conditional Formatting. When you do, a panel will open on the right side of your screen. This is where everything happens. In that panel, you'll see a section labeled Apply to Range. This tells you exactly which cells the rule will affect. If the range doesn't look right, you can adjust it here by typing a new range or using the grid selector to highlight the cells you want. For clarity, ranges look like A1D10 or B2B100. Make sure the range covers the area where you want the formatting to appear, like a column of scores or a set of dates. If the rule doesn't seem to be working later, the range is often the first thing to double check. Below that, you can adjust the format rules. This is where you explain what you want the sheet to look for. Choose a rule type that fits your data, such as greater than for numbers, text contains for labels, or date is for timelines. If you're working with something more specific, you can use a custom formula to create advanced logic, but most cases are covered by the standard options. Enter the value or condition that should trigger the formatting. Then choose the style that will appear when the condition is met, like a fill color, bold text, or a custom text color. Aim for colors that are easy to read and consistent with the rest of your sheet so your highlights are helpful, not distracting. As you set the rule, you'll usually see a preview in your sheet. This makes it easy to confirm that the correct cells are being highlighted. If the preview doesn't look right, adjust the range or tweak the rule until it matches your intent. Once you're done, click on Done. That saves the rule and applies it to your data. From there, any changes to your cells will automatically update the formatting, keeping your sheet clear and informative without extra work. That's all there is to it. Clean, fast, and reliable.